Good morning. As you probably know, the Super Bowl is Sunday. And the Super Bowl means snacks. So I'm in my kitchen to show you guys how I make my favorite Super Bowl snack, queso. Now the traditional queso might use Velveeta and Rotel tomatoes, but I am going to make my own Velveeta versus buying it. So to make your own homemade Velveeta, you need a couple of things. You need a blender, a pound of shredded cheese, unflavored gelatin, 6 tablespoons of powdered milk, and 1 cup of boiling water. So the first step is to mix your gelatin and your milk and your cup of water into the blender and blend it. Next step is to mix the cheese in. Now once your cheese has completely blended and it's very smooth and mixed together and all that, you're going to pour it . Once you have it in your container, then cover it with plastic wrap. Although you shouldn't. You should have probably put plastic wrap in the container, and I kind of forgot that step. So, because it is much easier to get out. Put it in the refrigerator and let it chill overnight. So after 24 hours, your cheese is ready to be cut up, put into a bowl, mixed with the tomatoes, and then melt it down to make queso. Now I can't stress this enough. You should line your bowl, your container, with plastic wrap before you put the cheese mixture in. It will be significantly easier to get out. This is what you have. Ta-da! Queso. I think I put a little too much milk in it with the juice that came out of the Rotel tomato. It's a little runny. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. So that's how I make queso with homemade Velveeta. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.